In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can replace procrastination with the willpower to find success. We all procrastinate. It's only human. However, if you want to become a successful entrepreneur, you have to find ways to overcome your tendency to procrastinate and replace it with willpower. Here are 5 ways you can begin to replace procrastination with willpower. 1. Get clear. To begin to overcome procrastination, you need to get clear about what you want in life. Take 30 minutes to create a list of goals. Write down your goals in the following categories: career, education, relationships, financial, spiritual, leisure, and other categories. After you've completed your list, narrow the list down to your top 3 goals. To do this, you need to ask if you can live without it, leaving your less important goals on a maybe list that you can revisit in a few months. 2. Delete items from your to-do list that don't relate to your top 3 goals. Take a look at your daily to-do list and determine what tasks will move you closer to accomplishing your top 3 goals. You should remove any job from your list that doesn't relate to these goals. You don't want to spend time working on tasks that aren't going to get you closer to accomplishing your goals. 3. Break down big tasks into smaller steps. We tend to procrastinate on tasks that are vague because we don't have a clear understanding of what to do next. Take a few minutes to think about how you can break down a larger task into smaller milestones that can be completed separately. This works great for when you are feeling overwhelmed. 4. Plan your days. This task should only take you about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Write down each task that you need to complete for the day, starting with the most important things listed at the top. Work your way down the list, focusing on finishing the important tasks in the morning, with the easier things being completed in the afternoon. Wait to check your email until after you've completed your first big job. 5. Believe in yourself. If you've lost your motivation and hope, know that you can still turn things around. Release the fear of failure that you are holding on to, and start to believe that failure is nothing more than a learning experience. Working toward your goal by completing small tasks every day will add up over the course of the year. Procrastination can be a significant problem for any entrepreneur who is looking for success. These are just some of the ways you can begin to replace procrastination and find the drive you need to succeed.